What is up, guys? Thank you guys for clicking on this channel. If you guys are new here, we are High Altitude Trucks. We do all your aftermarket stuff, whether it be suspension, wheels and tires, bumpers, accessories, lights, anything that you can name. We pretty much handle all of it, including Toyota stuff. This is a brand new Toyota LANDCRUISER, and we are installing the pre-released Icon suspension Stage 3 kit. So what this is going to come with is you have your Icon upper strut coilover conversion, you have your upper control arm, you have a front differential drop, and that's kind of like your whole front system that you got going on. Then in the rear, we got our rear shocks, rear coils, and then a track bar to adjust the track width on it, and also to kind of beefing up the rear end. We're basically getting this installation going. I don't know what this color is, but it is really cool. So stick around, smash that subscribe button. We got all kinds of crazy content coming out from Toyota stuff. And then, you know, we got big projects like this Any Level Super Duty. So we'll get onto this install and show you guys kind of what we do here. Hey, there's a truck there, be careful. Bump into the truck. All right, guys, so we just finished up this 2024 Toyota LANDCRUISER. We did the Icon Stage 3 3-inch kit, so double threes. So if you come around, I don't know what this color is, but man, do I like it a lot. It's got the white grayish roof too. But we did coilovers in the front, we did upper control arms, we did their diff drop, we did the rear shocks and the rear coils with the adjustable track bar in the rear. So everything just turned out really nice on this. We just took it for the first drive, and this thing is like smooth as butter. So if you guys are in the Denver metro area looking to customize your Toyota, whether it be a LANDCRUISER, a 4Runner, a Tundra, doesn't matter. Bring it to us. We can handle all your guys' Toyota needs, as well as any of your other big three needs, Ford, Chevy, Dodge. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next build.